The RigER maintenance module is designed to manage complex rental equipment maintenance operations. For example, equipment preventive maintenance, annual checkups, and certifications. This module helps service, operations, and fleet managers meet industrial best practices, recommendations from manufacturers, government regulations, client requirements, and safety guidelines. Users can see which rental unit requires maintenance right now. Also, they can see the type and cycle of the maintenance, required parts, and next PM days. We see that many organizations use Excel spreadsheets and whiteboards to track preventive maintenance. This routine task is complex and time-consuming, especially when the rental fleet grows significantly. The maintenance module gives users a dramatic time reduction of daily maintenance scheduling. One of the recent implementations showed the improvement from 4 hours to 4 seconds. Our RigER maintenance module brings you powerful dashboards and reports. Users can see the maintenance status and individual schedule for each unit number. The UNUT technical report instantly shows full details of maintenance, repairs, and inspections history. Knowing the importance of field work, we offer the RigER mobile oilfield application for fast and accurate data collection. Field technicians only need to enter readings, labor time, parts, and the maintenance checklist. When maintenance is done, the service manager simply approves the field job in the office. The main benefit of using the RigER maintenance module is cost optimization. As we see, our clients value the ability to extend equipment life and prevent costly incidents. To see the maintenance module in action, book a demo today.